I'm in Lakeland, going to Circle B Bar Reserve. Circle B Bar Reserve is coming up. Next right. Look at this beautiful ride. Look at this trail. So pretty here. Checking out the birds. White-eyed video. Alligators live here. That's for sure. And that's called Alligator Alley. Great blue heron. There are lots of them here. So what we have over there? Great egret. And the cormorant passed by. Great blue heron and the great egret in the back. Now I'm riding an alligator alley. Lots of bald warblers and ingos, heron cigarettes. It's a nice ride here. Beautiful. Such a cool place. Lots of birds and it's just a really cool place. That's the green heron. He's in hunting mode. Circle B Park Reserve. That's the Lake Hancock. Coming through. Sorry. Everybody's chasing me away. I know that. He's not happy. The weather is starting to cool down, so the alligators become less active. But I'm still hoping to see some. I was surprised that Lake Apopka didn't have many alligators out. I saw only a couple of them, so tons of them everywhere. I guess it's getting cooler and the alligators become less active. Good morning. Osprey. Ospreys standing by, looking for a morning snack. Osprey is such a beautiful bird. Look at that striking white and black. Yep, a cool bird. In Estonia we call them fish eagle. can hear the Phoebe and house wren chatting. Come on, cardinals. Beautiful birds. Yeah, where are you going? Huh. Red-shouldered hawks. So cool. 2 red-shouldered hawks. Alligator Island don't have any alligators today. I guess it's getting cold and they're shutting down. Wading Bird Bay. There, Eagle's Roost is 1 more mile to the center. That's where I came from. Longleaf Lane is 1 mile. The Fort Fraser Trail. I haven't been there. So I haven't been here. This trail, that's new for me. It's actually a couple of miles long. So I'm just gonna ride it through and see what I can see. There it is. It's a nice ride. That's stand-up Circle B Bar Reserve. And it's a connector trail to Fort Fraser Trail. I'm at that end. I didn't realize that actually it takes me out. And I'm thinking, maybe I just head out. I'm on that direction where I wanted to go. I wanted to go to Panera Bread, get some work done, and then hit the Lakeland. That's the Fort Fraser connector trail. Takes me to the Fort Fraser Trail, obviously. I'm out of connector trail, turning to Fort Fraser Trail. Yep, that's the new trail for me. Oh, look at that. That's nice. Covered bridge. You don't see them often. They don't make them anymore. But this one is actually new. There you go. And the trail. See? Fort Fraser Trail ends here. And it goes back there all the way. I think like 10 miles or so. Okay, now I'm heading to Panera Bread. It's about 5 miles away, maybe less. So let me see. Oh, 6 miles. Okay, this is probably 6 miles to go. It's gonna be a road ride. Okay, Google, let's see where you are leading me.
Continue for 3/4 of a mile.
I'm going through the park. It's not the worst time. Last time I went through this park also, and the other end was locked up, so I had to climb over the fence with the barbed wire. Most likely I have to do the same. We'll see. Hopefully the gate is open. Nope, the gate is closed. Just like last time. Yep, I have to climb over this barbed wire again. That's funny that the Google Maps are showing that this is the way. but I already know how to get over, so no problem. That's the barbfire I climbed over. I came from there and heading that way. It's a nice trail here. I didn't realize that they had the trail here. Alright, we'll do that. This little section of the trail was nice. Here you go, Panera bread. That's the one. Okay, see you in a little bit. I'm riding through Lakeland by the back roads. They have some nice brick roads here, old. Glad they haven't filled it up. Some of them are covered with asphalt, but this one is not. That's good. Lots of brick roads. Look at that. This one is a brick road too.
Turn right onto Easton Drive, then turn left onto Fairmount Avenue.
Nice bike road. It goes around the lake. It's a big lake, nice. But not the biggest one. Lakeland is all about the lakes. I like this road. I can have concrete and the cars can have brick. That's the one. Such a good accepted. Mr. Fish Place was excellent. They prepare food just how I like it. So tomorrow I'm gonna be still here. I'm gonna go and eat over there again. So thank you, Dan, for recommending this place. That was excellent. Just the way how I like it. So check out Dan's YouTube channel. It's called Primetime Travelers. He's reviewing food places and he's a train traveler, just like me. Saddle Creek Preserve Campground. And there's my tent. It's still there. Alright. Heading out. 7:45. It's a beautiful quiet morning. Grapes. It's a beautiful morning, so quiet and really nice. You can hear the Phoebe. I'm heading to Lakeland. I am in Lakeland, but going to the center of Lakeland. I stayed in McDonald's like 4 hours, got some work done and did what I needed to do. Here you go, Lake Morton. Yeah, it's beautiful. Such a cool place. Look at all those birds there. Mute swans, black swans. I see some ducks there. Let me go and check it out. So what we have here? Flamingos, swans, goods. Beautiful place. I like these cypress trees, how they grow, and the birds all around. It's some exotic swans. They're not afraid at all. Courageous birds. These are the feeding stations for the swans. They have all kinds of birds here. Goods, cardinals. Next to a swan. Looks like the birds are getting along really well. There are more black swans there, woodstock, lots of ibises. Lake Morton. Such a cool place. This is another black swan in the middle of the lake, going somewhere. Even the turtle is sticking its head out. Hey, what about me? I'm here too. Yes, you are. Lakeland is pretty big actually. They have some huge buildings. I'm just enjoying my time here in Lakeland by the Lake of Morton. I'm heading back to Amtrak station. Lakeland is a beautiful town. That's the Lakeland Amtrak station. Train is about to come in any minute.